Good morning, students. How are you all? Good? Okay. So, in our previous video, we have already started our second lesson, that is how our earth looks. And in that video, we have also covered the two topics, that is, and the first one is a globe is the model of the earth, and the second one is a map. So, what is a map? Can you tell me what is a map? A map is a drawing of the whole or the part of the earth on a flat surface. A map is a drawing of the whole or a part of the earth on a flat surface, that is known as map. So a book of maps called an atlas. When we can found different types of maps in a single book are bound together, that is known as an atlas. So there are various types of maps but the small maps can be easily carried with us anywhere while we are traveling or doing anything. We can easily fold them and put into our pockets, and we can easily carry it with ourselves anywhere. But the big ones we cannot carry with ourselves anywhere. That is why the large size and the big size maps we can hang on the walls. That is why these types of maps are called as the wall maps, right? A wall map is a large size map which we can hang on the walls. And the second one, the small maps, we can easily fold it and put into our pockets, or we can paste them in the books, and they are very handy. Now we will see the next topic, that is continents and oceans. So we have learned that 71% of the earth is covered with water. I told you already and we have also learned in our first lesson that about 71% of the earth is covered with water. When I showed you the globe, it looks like blue color. Why? Because 71% of the earth's surface is covered with water and the remaining 29% is covered with land. That is why our globe or our earth looks like an blue color. So the blue part on the globe shows the water bodies on the earth. All the blue part which is covered on the globe or on the earth, that shows the water bodies on the earth. So which things are included where we can find the water? In the oceans, seas, rivers and the lakes. Where first one is the oceans, seas, rivers and the lakes. In these things we can find the water. So these are known as the water bodies are called the oceans. So there are four oceans in the world. First one is the Pacific Ocean, which is the largest ocean in the world. Remember, Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. Second one is the Atlantic Ocean. Second one, the Atlantic Ocean. Third one is the Indian Ocean. And the fourth one is the Arctic Ocean, which is the smallest ocean in the world. Just remember, the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world and the Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean in the world. Now see, the remaining 29% of the earth is covered with land. About 71% of the earth's surface is covered with water and the remaining 29% of the earth is covered with land. So the brown part on the globe shows the large areas of land on the earth. In that globe, the brown part shows the large areas of land on the earth and the blue part shows the water bodies, right? And the remaining 29% is covered with land, and which shows the large areas of land on the earth. So they are called the continents. So what are the continents? I told you, large masses of land on the earth's surface. Large masses of land on the earth's surface are known as the continents. So there are 7 continents on the earth. First one is the Asia, which is the largest continent. Just remember, Asia is the largest continent on the earth. Second one is Africa. Third one is Europe. Fourth one is North America. Fifth one is South America. Sixth one is Antarctica. And the seventh one is Australia, which is the smallest continent. Remember, Asia is the largest continent and Australia is the smallest continent. Like Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean and the Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Okay. So today we will stop here. We will see our next topic in our next video. Thank you and have a good day.